Welcome to English Quiz Pro.
One, Emily did not last weekend. A, working. B, worked. C, work. Two, your car clean? A, does. B, do. C, is. Three, we will, what your father says. A, see. B, to see. C, seeing. Four, you live in a house or a flat. A, do. B, does. C, doing. Five, where Mary and Susan live? A, did. B, do. C, does. Six, he. A book every night. A, had read. B, reading. C, reads. Seven, a vegetarian is a person who never. Meat. A, eat. B, eats. C, ate. Eight, Judy and Liz at last month's meeting? A, was. B, were. C, are. Nine, the train. At 5 p.m. A, leave. B, leaving. C, leaves. Ten, I don't. Go swimming today. A, think I. B, think I'll. C, thinking. Eleven, Margaret. Volleyball twice a week. A, playing. B, plays. C, played. Twelve, we. Not happy after the sad ending. A, were. B, was. C, did. Thirteen, it. tomorrow. A, will snow. B, snows. C, is snowing. "14. What? She do every night? A, does. B, do. C, doing. "15. You see Sandra's new dog yesterday? A, are. B, did. C, do. "16. Does she? Milk? A, liked. B, like. C, liking. "17. We won't. Until we get there. A, knowing. B, have no. C, no. "18. He. French very well. A, spoken. B, speaks. C, speak. "19. She. To the office by bus. A, goes. B, went. C, going. "20. Sorry, I. Hear you at the door. A, wasn't. B, didn't. C, am not. "21. She. His car to work every day. A, driving. B, drive. C, drives. "22. I. Back before Friday. A, LLB. B, will. C, am being. "23. I. English for 3 years. A, studying. B, study. C, studied. "24. Will you? At the practice on Saturday? A, go. B, be. C, have. "25. What? You eat for lunch yesterday? A, do. B, did. C, were. "26. I'm going to the store. I think. Buy a shoe. A. I've. B. I'll. C. I'd.